Hi, today I'm going to show you how to check ink level estimates on an Epson Expression Home XP435. So, using the buttons on the front of the printer, we're going to move along until we get to setup. As you can see, represented with a screwdriver and a spanner. So we press OK to go in. And ink levels is the very first option, so we press OK to go in there. And you get a visual representation of black, yellow, magenta and cyan cartridges. As you can see, 3 of mine are running low, so I'm going to have to do some placements soon. And handily, they even have an option to go directly into that underneath. So I'm going to do that now. Hope you found this useful. If you have, please do give us a like. If there's anything we've missed or anything else you want to know, do please let us know in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.